Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So before we start off in today's video, I want you all to join me in congratulating Brie Miranda for being the giveaway winner of my No Orange Fanola giveaway. If you enter that giveaway, no winner. There will be way more giveaways coming soon. Thank you guys so much for joining. It really means so much to me, and I hope Brie Miranda enjoys the No Orange shampoo. You know, if you guys are interested in purchasing it, definitely purchase it. It's so worth it. I am not sponsored whatsoever. But yeah, this is how much I truly believe in this product. Brie Miranda, congratulations. I hope you enjoy it, and I already contacted you and we're both really excited. So yeah, let's get started with today's video. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, just how you read the title, we are going to be going over my monthly favorites, and I hope that you guys are also enjoying these products, or if you haven't, definitely look into purchasing them because they are so good. So to start off, I have the Sephora Best Skin Ever foundation. I love this so much. I try not to use it because I don't want it to run out, although I can always purchase it, but I love it so much. It literally leaves your skin in the best skin like ever. It leaves you like with a perfect natural finish, just how it says it in the bottle, and I absolutely love this so much. I literally can't rave about this enough. If you guys are in the market for a foundation, definitely look into this one. And it's amazing because it even brings a pump, and I believe it's only $20. If you guys are anywhere near my complexion, this is the color that I use. It is 12Y. The next product that I loved the past month and that I've been using honestly for years, if you guys have been watching my videos, you guys already know that I rave about this daily moisturizer. It is by Aveeno, and it is the Positively Radiant Moisturizer. It does have SPF 15, which is really good for the summertime. And yeah, I just use it on a daily, and this is so amazing. The next product that I've honestly been loving and I have all over my face is this hydrating camo concealer by e.l.f. It is a satin finish. I'm sure you guys have seen this everywhere, but let me let you guys know that if you don't really like foundation, definitely look into concealers, because I don't know if you guys can tell, but I kind of have like a full coverage going on right now, and all I have in my face is literally this. Like, I just like to spot conceal wherever I need it and under my eyes, and yeah, this is literally all I've been using on my face, and it's so amazing. So yeah, if you guys are also in the market for a foundation, definitely look into this one, but also into concealer, because honestly nowadays concealers have just as much coverage or even more than a foundation. So definitely recommend this one. I absolutely love it. It's so creamy, like it blends out so beautifully. So yeah, if you guys are looking for a concealer, definitely look into the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and I believe this is so affordable. I think it's less than $10. The next thing that I've been loving this month is by Too Faced, and it is their Lip Injection Extreme. I'm sure you guys have seen these everywhere. They have gone literally viral just because of the way, like how nice and how plump they make your lips look. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I do not have the the original colors or the original lip injections that everyone used. I believe it's like clear and light pink. This one is pink. This one is actually their Cinnamon Bear version of it, and it actually does taste a little bit like cinnamon, but I actually have it on right now. And when the lip gloss starts to fade out, it doesn't fade out completely, so it still leaves like a really nice tint on your lips. And yeah, you're not, you don't stay without lip gloss completely, if that makes any sense. And I would 100% recommend this. And can we talk about how cute the packaging is? Like, it has teddy bears everywhere, and honestly I've been loving this. The next product that I absolutely love, although I don't love the color, but I love the formula and I feel like I had to put it, is this Wet n Wild First Gel. It's basically a gel lip liner, and I found this at Dollar Tree, guys. I don't know if you guys have seen my other videos, but I have like Dollar Tree videos as well, and I spoke about this. I found this at Dollar Tree. Usually they sell these like at Target or even Five and Below for, I'm sure, more than $1. But I found it at Dollar Tree, and I thought this was such a good find. And let me tell you guys that the only reason why I didn't like it is because this is literally like the color of my skin tone, but it's literally so blendable. Oh my god, this literally just broke on me. I was too hard, but This is what it looks like. This is the color. It's honestly a really nice nude, but when I have foundation on my face, it looks like the exact same color as my skin. So I feel like this is really good to use under, like before like a lipstick maybe, to brighten it up a little bit. But yeah, this is the color, and the consistency so good. I absolutely love it. So I definitely recommend this. It's so good. The next thing is so random, but I've been loving my freaking iPad. I have a 10.2 iPad, I believe. I got it as a Christmas gift from my boyfriend, and let me tell you guys that I've been using this so much to watch Netflix, or like to even edit my videos sometimes. I've been loving this. Like it's so weird because I got it for Christmas, but I've been using it now more than ever. I feel like, you know, if you don't have an iPad, definitely, you know, look into it. And let me tell you guys that this case is so nice. I got it from Amazon, and it was literally under 20 bucks, and I feel like it's such good material, if not better than the ones in Apple. And my iPad is actually rose gold, and it matches the freaking iPad color just exact. The last product that I'm going to mention, I actually just made a video about, and it is the Radiant Skincare System by Devol. Let me tell you guys that I use this, and if you guys haven't watched my video, definitely tune in. I will have a link down below. But this Radiant system is so good. I don't know about you guys, but I never use a skincare system in my life. In order to take off my makeup, or even to keep up with my, I don't know about you guys, but I wasn't really into, and I'm not really into skincare systems like for my face. I usually just use, you know, what God gave me, my hand. But I've looked into the system and I used it, and this is so amazing. It even comes with a pumice stone, and this is it right here. If you guys don't know, it's usually used to scrape the bottom of your feet and make it smooth and all of that. If you guys are interested in this, it's so amazing. I actually have a discount code. I will have it right here. It's my name, and honestly I recommend it 100%. If you guys didn't know, this whole system costs $95, and I have a discount code 70% off, so you guys will get this for only $28.50, which is so amazing. I definitely recommend it 100%. Definitely look into the brand of Devol, because they sell a little bit of variety of everything in terms of beauty. They sell hair products, they sell eye serum, blending brushes, you name it. And it's really easy to clean too. You just, you know, run it under water, and that's it. I'm looking into buying I need like a little pouch in order to put all these products in, so that I'm not constantly, after using them, putting them back in this box. But yeah, the last thing that I wanted to mention was this Invisible Dry Spray by Dove. This scent smells so amazing. I found this at Ross and Marshalls. I feel like I haven't seen these like in stores like Target, Rite Aid, and I got it for $3.99, and it's literally like really down here, because I've used this every day, and the smell is so amazing. So I definitely recommend this to freshen up. So yeah guys, that's everything from my monthly favorites. Once again, don't forget, I do have a discount code for Devol, so if you're in the market for like a new spin brush or interested in a new one, I 100% recommend this. Don't forget, I do have a discount code, and you get all of these amazing products. The big one for your whole body, the cleansing, the exfoliator, and the pumice brush, which is so amazing. And let me let you guys know that I'm not getting paid whatsoever. I generally do enjoy these. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.